Good morning, everybody. Welcome, SkyBaum. I'm your host, Jay Lugo. So, find me here in St. Louis, Missouri, out there. We got. So, what are we doing here? Off to our next adventure, folks. So, I'm actually picking up a gimbal Cabri G2. Owner asked me to accompany him on a ferry flight. So we're gonna pick it up here at East St. Louis and we'll be flying it down through Florida. We're gonna be stopping in Memphis and also possibly overnighting in Bessemer, Alabama. So stay tuned. Just my dignity, but that's been gone for a while. Yeah, right. A pilot house in Cape Girardeau. Morning, everybody. Welcome. Welcome again. A little update from the road. So, all those crazy plans that we had, stopping in Memphis, getting to Alabama on the first day. Not the case at all, folks. We've been trying to stay ahead of the weather. There's an Arctic blast coming, so a lot of wind, sometimes flying as low as 47 knots. Got it down here. We're in Donaldsonville, Georgia, and this is here. Give you a little tour. This is the Osceola Hotel. I was very early in the morning. That's why I'm whispering. But give you a little tour of this cute little hotel in a little small town. Stairway right down there. Anyhow, so the owner, Jamie, very kind lady, actually came out, opened this place up. The owner of the aircraft and myself are the only ones staying here tonight, and for this morning, I should say. And we'll be hitting the road, and hopefully we'll make it down to Florida today. Lots of learning on this one. It's been an experience. Obviously, I've done this in a smaller scale when I did this with a company from South America. And you can see the latest video there. El Espíritu de Joel Rivas. I talk about that, and but it, and obviously when I was training, I came up to the Smoky Mountains, to Sevierville. I flew about 5 hours, R44 up there, but flying in a gimbal Cabri G2. I've always loved the aircraft. Now I love it even more. Just certain things it has in contrast with the competing product, that it really just, it's an outstanding aircraft to fly. So it's definitely been a treat to be flying this couple days and getting acquainted with that. Can't wait to do more training on it, and get to know the inside quirks and everything. Really got the mind gears going there. So little update from the road, y'all. Hopefully the next one will be from Florida. We almost made it. We're literally in the border of Florida, but there was smoke in the area and the sun was setting, and 6 hours of straight flying, it was time to come down. So I'll check in with you on another one. Take care, y'all. Well, as you can see, folks, we made it. Monica even picked me up at Massey, and looking to get some rest. 3 days of flying fun. Covered Illinois, Missouri, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. So, everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and like and comment. Share it to those people that love aviation. We'll see you back in the next one. This has been Jay Lugo for SkyBaum with at Honey Monique, signing out. See you.